Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for beautifully scented and all-natural body lotion? That's what you'll get from this one from Shamarwin. This is the lemongrass and sage body lotion. It's handmade and made with all natural ingredients. So you're not going to get anything that has chemicals in it. There's no chemical perfumes. It's made with all natural essential oils. I find that this smooths into your skin so easily. It's very moisturizing. You can see the packaging is the nice amber bottle and it's generously sized. And the owner even put a personal thank you note in the box. So that's just a nice feature. You know that someone is putting their time and their consideration into a natural product. As I mentioned, it's made with the lemongrass and sage. The scent of it does have a natural scent, so you're going to get something that you can feel comfortable in and wearing, and it's not going to be offensive to you. It's just right. It has the beautiful lemongrass scent, which I find to be very relaxing. There's a lot of good qualities in essential oils and how that they can benefit you. So if you're looking for a naturally based product with no chemicals or fake perfumes or dyes, then you would definitely be in love with this lotion like I am from Shamarwin. But that's just my point of view.